Today, as we gather to celebrate International GIS Day 2024, we reflect on a theme that is both inspiring and profoundly relevant: mapping minds shaping the world. This theme highlights the intricate dance between human creativity and the transformative power of geographic information systems. It reminds us that GIS is not merely a tool, it is an enabler of innovation, resilience, and sustainable development. GIS Day is more than just a date on the calendar. It is a global opportunity to acknowledge how this remarkable technology reshapes how we perceive, navigate, and manage our world. It challenges us to harness its full potential to address the pressing issues of our time. What is the significance of GIS, Geographic Information Systems? GIS technology empowers us to uncover trends, promote sustainable growth, and enable data-driven decision-making. Consider its role in mapping coastal vulnerabilities. This critical application allows us to implement proactive measures for disaster risk reduction, ensuring that lives and livelihoods are safeguarded. In the OECS, we have seen firsthand how GIS intersects with digital transformation, moving us from traditional approaches to tech-driven solutions. These solutions enhance connectivity, accessibility, and efficiency across sectors. For example, during disaster response efforts, GIS provides real-time data to guide relief operations, ensuring that resources are deployed effectively and efficiently. The OECS has a commitment to GIS. The Commission remains steadfast in its dedication to advancing geospatial and hydrospatial technologies for our member states. This commitment is deeply rooted in our vision of a data-driven region where, one, every decision is data-informed. From policy formulation to project implementation, our strategies are grounded in robust data analysis to ensure precision and effectiveness. Secondly, outcomes are measurable and transparent. We use robust data metrics to track progress, evaluate impact, and foster accountability. 3. Innovation is data-powered. By harnessing data, we drive innovation to address environmental challenges and seize developmental opportunities. Our reliance on geospatial technology underpins this commitment. Through initiatives like mapping critical ecosystems and analyzing climate vulnerabilities, we ensure our strategies are grounded in evidence, enhancing resilience and sustainability. Today, I am proud to announce the establishment of the Caribbean Geospatial Institute, a bold initiative led by the OECS Commission. This institute will serve as a regional hub for advancing geospatial expertise, fostering innovation, and equipping our nations with the tools and knowledge needed for informed governance and development. Additionally, the OECS Commission has been an active participant in several key geospatial engagements. At the SIDS4 conference in Antigua and Barbuda, we contributed to the adoption of the landmark Abbas Declaration, which emphasizes the importance of GIS in supporting sustainable development, climate resilience, and strategic decision-making. We participated in the UN IGIF sub-regional workshop in Antigua, focusing on enhancing geospatial information management in small island developing states. These engagements underscore the importance of regional cooperation and the integration of geospatial data for actionable strategies. GIS is at the heart of the OECS's broader digital transformation agenda. This transformation involves more than just adopting new technologies. It is about strategically integrating these tools to amplify outcomes. GIS enables our member states to map resources, enhance public health systems, prepare for disasters, and plan infrastructure, all while ensuring sustainability remains a priority. Let me share an example of how GIS has transformed disaster preparedness in the region. Through spoke-to-spoke interactions, GIS fosters horizontal networks of collaboration. During hurricane events, government agencies, NGOs, and community leaders exchange real-time geospatial data, enabling coordinated and effective responses. These connections strengthen our collective resilience, making knowledge sharing a continuous cycle of improvement. What is the strategic integration and the way forward? Digital transformation must balance innovation with strategic oversight. As we champion GIS and other advanced geospatial tools, we remain mindful of potential challenges. Technology should enhance, not replace, human insight. The OECS Commission will continue to lead initiatives that bridge technology and human capacity. By fostering regional partnerships, we ensure that every member state has access to the resources needed to leverage geospatial technologies effectively. As we look to the future, we are also keenly focused on engaging and inspiring our youth. The best time to map minds is when they are most malleable. Through targeted programs and initiatives, we aim to equip the younger generation with the knowledge and tools of GIS. This ensures a future where innovation, sustainability, and progress are driven by empowered leaders ready to shape a better world. On this International GIS Day, let us reaffirm our shared commitment to geospatial technology as a catalyst for meaningful change. Policymakers, communities, and organizations all have a role to play in harnessing the full potential of GIS. Together, we celebrate the collective effort to map the stories that lay the foundation for our shared future. Together, we will shape a world that is informed, inclusive, and prepared to meet the challenges ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, the transformative power of GIS is clear. It is not only reshaping the world we live in, but shaping the minds of those who will lead us into the future. Happy GIS Day to all as we continue mapping minds and shaping our shared world. Thank you.